Hey guys, it's your girl Sinead of what is now Pretty in Coils. Had to switch things up for the new year, and I hope you like all these changes. We're gonna try to do better so we can actually grow in 2018, because that's what 2018 is all about. So now, what is this video about? It is definitely not a makeup tutorial or a hair tutorial, but what we will be discussing is some of the products that I have purchased or rocked with all 2017 that I will continue to rock with and bring into 2018 because I just love them so much. So first things first, what do we start with? Skincare, because skincare is like the most important thing. You can beat your face all you want, but if you don't take care of your skin, it's gonna look ugly every time, I promise you. So what did I get? Mario Badescu. You probably have heard of him. I'm sure you've heard of his facial cucumber spray, or the rose spray I think it's called. But I got a couple of kits that I've been rocking with. I've been using them for like a week and a half or so. And that's a short period of time for skincare because you kind of need more time to kind of see results. But so far I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And I have to bring it into 2018 because not only did I just buy it, obviously, but I love it that much so far. So what did I get? I got the brightening regimen kit from Mario Badescu, like I said, and that includes the glycolic foaming cleanser, an alpha grapefruit cleansing lotion, a vitamin C serum, a whitening mask, and then you get a little sample of a glycolic skin renewal complex, which is basically a moisturizer. So they give you the steps, step 1, 2, 3, and then you do the mask 2 times a week. I'm loving this so far. Guys, definitely go out and get this. My skin has been super smooth. My skin loves this stuff. Loves it, loves it, loves it, loves it. And I have combination skin. Normally my skin is really dry, but I've noticed that my T-zone has been getting up. It's a little on the oily side. Very annoying. So I definitely have combination skin, and this is working perfectly for that. Along with this, I got the Hit Refresh little kit here, and this includes an enzyme cleansing gel, a botanical exfoliating scrub, and the facial spray that I was talking about. You guys have seen this. It's a little small one, but you guys have probably seen this everywhere because like everybody used it before or after their makeup. You've probably seen it. And the reason why I recommend getting both of these, if you get this, definitely get this, or you could just buy this, but if you want to try this, I definitely recommend that you also pick this up. It's smaller product, so it allows you to try it out to see if you like it before you really like go and buy the big stuff. But the reason why I said buy both of them is because the cleanser in here it's not an everyday. Every product in here doesn't work for every day. It's every other day. But the cleanser in here is a daily cleanser. So when you're not using this, you use this, and I think they work really well together. I definitely recommend you go out and try Mario Badescu because I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. 5 out of 5, guys. 5 out of 5. So we're done with skincare. Let's get into beauty. I'm going to talk about my favorite foundation that I always use, and that is Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Of course, my skin is 355 coconut. I've mentioned it before in many of my other videos. It's for normal to oily skin. Like I said, I have combination skin, so before I started all these little products that I'm going to share with you throughout the day, it will definitely oil real bad. So if you have super oily skin, you can't just use this by itself. It's not going to help. You need the proper primer and setting spray and powders to help you throughout the day. But anyways, it's still my favorite because it matches so amazing. I'm telling you, like when you first put it on, you look orange as hell, but then like it oxidizes, it settles in, and then you have like this flawless look, and I love it so much, especially because it's only $6 and you really can never beat that. So next up, we're gonna get into my favorite primer, and that's from Becca. Guys, so I bought a small one because I wanted to try it, and let me tell you, I should have bought the big one. This stuff, first of all, you have to work very quickly with it because it just dries up so much. Like, you start to rub it and it's like it's already dry. So I'm literally in there like squeeze, trying to hurry up get it on because it dries so quickly. But it works really good for oily skin. I noticed after like 7 hours or so, my nose started to get a little bit oily, but that's actually longer than anything has ever lasted. But everything else was still matte, and I love that. I love this primer so much. I definitely recommend y'all get this. I'm bringing this into 2018 and I'm keeping it there, okay? And next up is a setting spray. You might have heard of this like a million times. So you probably, Urban Decay All Nighter is worth every single dollar. I don't remember how much it costs. I'm gonna put the prices somewhere in here so you guys can know. But long lasting makeup setting spray. This is so awesome. Ooh, it's so good. It's so good, guys. I recommend you get this setting spray. It's worth every dollar. Okay, definitely check it out. So next up, I'm going to go into my favorite lipsticks and lip glosses that I used in 2017 and I will continue to use into 2018. And that is this Milani Amore Matte in the color Amore. Every time I wear this, people are like, girl, what's that on your lip? And I'm like, yo, it's like $8. And I think it's like $8. It might be like $6 to $8. Milani Amore Matte. Get it in this color. This color is so bomb. I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see. Like, I love this so much. This is coming with me in 2018. Favorite lip gloss, Covergirl Give Me Guava is what I'm wearing right now. I love this like pink nude color. Favorite lip gloss coming with me into 2018. And that's all for the lips. Next up, we have eyeshadow. So I just got this palette. I've been hearing a lot of girls asking about it. I checked YouTube and a lot of girls already have it, but there's still some that, you know, I'm not the last one to figure it out this time. But Morphe Dare to Create, and I love that name because that's going to be like my theme of 2018. Dare to Create, and inside it says, oh, be your own muse, we dare you. I love it. Like, that's everything to me. I'm gonna like write that on my wall somewhere because I really got to get it together for 2018. So I'm really loving that whole thing. But this is not about quotes in here. It's about the colors, the shades, the shimmers, and it has all of those things: color, shades, shimmers. They're all in here, and I love this palette. It is so beautiful. I was torn between this one and Jaclyn Hill. I know everyone has a Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's probably like, girl, you didn't get Jaclyn Hill, and no, I did not get Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna try to get that like next time because I still want it, but this one is pretty dope. I've done makeup with this like maybe like 5 or 6 times. And I'm loving it. Okay, so finally we're gonna get into hair. We're gonna focus more on hair on this channel, hair and makeup. We're gonna get it right for 2018, guys. So I have this has coconut milk, I apologize, coconut milk and organic honey. It is a curl enhancing lotion. It's good lotion. It's good for all hair types, all curl types, excuse me. Apparently I cannot read today. And it's good, it quenches and controls frizz. So that all sounds lovely and I'm loving it. I'm loving this in conjunction with I'm loving this along with this Gorilla Earwax. Okay, wait, the name is crazy, I know, even crazier than Gorilla Snot, which I had another video on. I don't know why I love these Gorilla products so much, but Gorilla Earwax is so bomb for your edges. Look, it will slick them down. I definitely recommend you try Gorilla Earwax and try it along with this, okay? Warning. Great products. Great for hair, great for your edges, good for your coils. If you want your coils to be real popping and popping and popping, you can use this and then slide some of this in. Okay guys, so that is all for this video, and I've shared with you all the amazing products that I have discovered in 2017 and that I will continue to rock with in 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to Pretty in Coils. Thank you guys.